How to make a YouTube banner in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to make YouTube banner in Canva. So first of all, just simply open the Canva's official website, and after that just simply log into your account, and over here on the search bar just simply search for YouTube banner, and you will be able to see a bunch of different options related to the YouTube banner. You just simply have to select the one you would like the most, and you can also click on the create a design, and over here just simply search for YouTube banner, and you can also start looking for the YouTube banner page, and you can start from scratch right here, but I'm gonna select one of the given templates right here. So for example, I'm taking this one, and now in order to edit and make this YouTube banner more personalized, you can go ahead and edit this particular banner. So for example, just simply tap on this particular text right here, and you can add your YouTube channel name right here. So it could be anything. Just enter your channel name and just make this channel more personalized while adding little details that will resonate with you and your channel and the content and the type of content that you post on that particular channel. You can also change the color of this particular banner right here. You can use more different tones and lights, and you can add elements in this particular banner like so, and you can use different colors, emojis, and so many other things you can do. So once you are done in editing the YouTube banner in the screen and you are happy with the results, just simply click on the share icon from the top right corner of the screen, and from there just simply go ahead and download this particular banner in the device, and you will be done. This is basically how you will be able to make YouTube banner in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.